Hello photographers, today I got a package in the mail and I wanted to share with you what's in this package. But first, if you want more great photography videos and photography gear videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, let's see what's in the box, because opening a box is pretty exciting. And this is something I ordered off of eBay. You can probably guess to some degree what's in the box, but I bet you can't actually guess what's in the box. So before I open it, down in the comments, what do you think's in this box? Let me know. Now, let's do it. Don't cheat. I didn't cut this very well. Here we go. All right, bubble wrap. What's this? Camera bag. All right, let's get that out of the way. This is a camera bag. It's an old ratty camera bag. The bag isn't what I ordered. So let's unzip this and see what's inside. Big reveal. Ooh, it's a DSLR. It is the Canon Rebel XT. This was my first DSLR. I shot with a Canon Rebel XT for almost 10 years. And I just ordered this off of eBay because I wanted to make some videos with it. And not about it, not like this is how you use a Canon Rebel XT, but with it. So first, we bought it off eBay. We got to make sure it works. So batteries in there, that's excellent. And CF card is in there, which is excellent. So turning it on, and let's just take a picture. I just got in auto mode right now. And look at that. It takes a photo. Check it out. Look at that teeny tiny screen on the back. There's a picture of me taking a picture of me. Look at that. Kit lens, 18 to 55 millimeter, f3.5 to 5.6. Same gray body I had. The grip obviously is a little bit worn. This is an old camera, still functions, which is exciting. I've got some ideas for the kinds of videos I want to make with this camera. It's going to be fun. But I also want to know from you, like, what kind of photos do you want to see me shoot with this Canon Rebel XT? Challenge me. Let me know down in the comments. I have some ideas for stuff I'm going to make, but I want to know what you want to see out of me and this 10 or 12 or 15-year-old. I don't even know. Let's look this up. How old is the Canon Rebel XT? Canon Rebel XT release date. February of 2005. This DSLR is 12 years old. So let me know what you want to see me do with the Canon Rebel XT in the comments. And then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. When you do, make sure you hit that bell icon so you don't miss a single one of my videos. And then, whether it's a brand new DSLR, one that's 12 years old, you better get out there and take some damn photos.